So hi guys, welcome back to my channel QA Warriors, and today we are going to see another important question, that is the DML commands in SQL. So what the interviewer asks is from the DML commands is that tell me about DML commands, how many type of DML commands are there, and he or she may ask you to write query on the DML commands. Also, they can ask you about the uses of the DML command. So it's very important to be focused on this session. So let's start with the DML commands and see all the DML commands one by one in details. Okay. So what this DML command stand for? So DML stands for data manipulation language, and a DML is or the DML commands are basically used to modify the database or the tables or the columns of the database. So the DML commands are insert, update, delete, and select. Okay, so let's see all the DML commands one by one. So first is the insert command. So what it is generally used to do is that it will insert a particular row or a particular value in the table of a database. Okay, so these DML commands, they are not auto committed, so you have the chances to roll back the changes. Okay, so now let's see how we write the insert statement. So it starts with insert into the name of the table and the name of the column. You have to specify the name of the column for which you want to supply the value. So here the column name is author and the subject, and the value that you are supplying for these two columns are Sonu and DBSMS. Okay. Now the second DML command is the update command. So what it will generally do, it will update or modify the value of a column in the table. So for example, in a Facebook, you have posted anything. You have posted anything means you have inserted the record. Now what you are doing, you are editing your status. Once you are editing your status, what you are doing is that you are updating your status. Okay. So now you can see here how we generally write this update command. It is like update name of the table. Then we write the keyword set along with the column number, column name that you want to change. So here we are changing the name of the column, means the column name we are updating as Sonu. We are trying to change here the username as Sonu, where the student ID is equal to 3. So for example, if I tell you that I am writing only first two line, that is the update student set username equal to Sonu. Now what it will do, it will update all the username as Sonu for the table students, as I have not provided the filter criteria. So try to specify the filter criteria while running the update queries. But even if you have run the update command, then there are chances that you can roll back, because as these DML commands are not auto committed. Okay, now the delete command. What it is, it will do is that it will remove one or more rows from a table. So it depends upon that whether you are using the filter criteria or not. If you are using the filter criteria, so here this statement you can see that delete from student where student ID is 103. So what it will do, it will just remove this row from the table where the student ID is equal to 103. But if you are using the command like delete from student, so what it will do, it will delete all the records from a table. But here we have a condition. If you have accidentally deleted any row or all the records from a table, so before you commit the changes, you have the option to roll back the changes. Now we have the select statement. What this select statement does is that it will help you to retrieve data from a table. If you are putting command like select star from table name, so it will fetch all the rows from the table using your star. As you have applied the star condition, so it will fetch all the records. But if you want to fetch particular columns, so you have to mention in the query that you are running. So here, for example, you can see that we want only to fetch the employee name from the table employee where age is greater than 20. So what it will do, it will fetch the username or employee name of only those employees whose age is greater than 20. Now let's see the summary. Now here we will summarize whatever we have learned in this video. So insert, what it will do, it will insert the data into the row of a table. Update, it will update or modify the value of a column. Delete, it will remove one or more rows from a table. And select, it will help you to retrieve data from a table. So that's all in this video. Hope you have enjoyed learning. And yes, guys, it's my request to share, like, and subscribe the channel, because once you will subscribe the channel, I will think that yes, you are giving credibility to me for making more videos. And thank you for watching.